So them bees are all good, apart from the one that just went up my fucking trouser leg and stung me. And I don't think it come back out. Little bugger. But they're good, they're growing well. Growing bees. So that's good, good, good. Welcome back everyone. I'm up at the deer farm. I'm just bringing the spicy bees up for the treasure hunter hive, the treasure farm hive. So I'm brought the bees up. They're the bees that me and Owen caught when we was up in Norfolk. It was a swarm that come all the way from Norfolk to Northamptonshire. So they survived winter over in the nuke, and now they're going to go into a full hive, but they're a bit spicy, so we'll see what they go like. They definitely need to be in a different home anyway. And then I'm going to put supers on all these hives up here. Some won't have the frames, but they'll have a feeder, just to get them on a little bit of syrup to get the queens pumping. But the big hives that are doing well will just have a super without the feed. Probably have their fondant on the top still. But yeah, that's what we're doing this morning. It's a beautiful day again. We're setting up the treasure fam group hive, which has got all the stickers on it. And then on these other hives up here, they're going to have individual sticker. So there'll be a tripwire hive, there's going to be a Marlon and Aurora hive from my videos, tripwire from Straight Up Metal Detecting. We'll see what other stickers we got. Joker magnet, that's going on there. But yeah, look, they're going in this end hive we set up yesterday. I didn't video none of it yesterday, but we set it up, got it ready. So I'm just going to put the bees on top and open them, then leg it because they're spicy. Spicy! Yeah, not much flying yet. Ones in the garden were flying. But anyway, I'm going to crack on. So I've just put them on top and just opened their door. But yeah, that's where they're going to be. Treasure farm hive! Next door's come out, look, when I moved them. They're a bit spicy, them ones. The others are a bit small, so they're not out yet. So I'll go back to the car and I'll get some more equipment. I'll get supers. I've got 4 supers, so I should have brought one more. Silly me. Should have brought 2 more actually, but yeah, anyway, I'll go get them. Right, so I made it across with my trolley. I've got my supers on. God, that's hard work. Whew. So we've got the smoker lit, got a hive tool. What I'll do is I'll transfer the bees into the new home first, so then by the time I've done everything else I need to do up here, I'll know whether they're settling in or not. But yeah, they are a bit angry at the moment, and the hive next to them is also a bit angry at the moment. I need to bring some more blocks up to put under this hive to level it out. Alright, anyway, let's get on. So this is the hive I ran up here last year with, which is a 14x12 box. So these frames, the bees are going to build their own wax on the bottom of these frames, but that's how it is on this one. So I'm just going to put them into there, get them some food on, and then close them back up and let them get on. So this hive's definitely packed out because they're up in the feeder now. They're up in the feeder and they've made comb in the feeder. So we're about the right time to transfer these over. So I'd expect that they'll be quite calm. So yeah, I expect they'll be quite packed. I've had a feeder off now. The queen's not on the feeder. Still appear to be. Nice little small bees. Just put the feeder there and then they can run down. And if we put the lid on it. Fanny and say they got a queen. Oh, careful, Matt. Just put that there. Now they could run down when we start transferring frames over. Yeah, these are packed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 frames. So they'll fill the box pretty quick. That's gonna smoke. So this is the treasure fan bees, everyone. I think they'll do well because, as I say, there's some spicy bees they can be. Let's try and get this out nice. Now this queen had a beautiful laying pattern. These frames are in there. Side tool ain't very good. Screw real gentle because I don't know where her harness is. Yeah, she is laying up this box. There she is, look, first frame we pull out. Would you ding dang do believe it? So we'll pop her straight in the middle there. Let's put it back together how we found it. Now we can just go. Go Johnny, go, go. Get them bees in that box. Oh, they didn't like that, did they? They didn't like that bit of singing. We'll have none of that then. Yeah, like I said, these are juicy little bees. That was close, wasn't it? Let's make sure there's no swarm cells. See, that frame is completely shot. Really, it wants to be on the edge, but it's got a nice ring of brood on it. Perhaps we do that one that side, bring it one closer to the edge, and then once that is hatched off, we will get that out of there. Got super on the edge, look, super frame on the edge, so we'll put that very back on the edge, so we'll need to cycle them two out. It's got a good populace of bees. Oh, bit of nectar in that. Oh, they were sticking this to the side and all. That's another super frame. But say you can't just pull it out because it's full of brood. So what we'll have to do is work them to the edge. See that beautiful nectar around there? These were filled their box. Something for them to clean up now. Yeah, I know, little bees, don't worry. We're getting you sorted. So yeah, she had rammed it full of brood, didn't she? See all that side laid up to the edges, look. Oh, full of it. So they'll soon fill this box. And then they'll be on a super. I'm surprised they haven't pulled queen cells. So this one's just a frame of honey, this. It's gotta be. Nope, she's laid that up with brood and all. And then that side, look at that, all golden nectar. Golden nectar. So there you have it. Pretty simple bee transfer. And what we'll do, we'll pump these down. Oh, change with the door. Close the door, they don't need the door again. Pump these down. Oh yeah, we'll pump all these out to feed us. So the trouble with these feeders is getting the bees back out after. That pissed them off, didn't it? Let's have a bit of smoke. Smoke myself. It's okay, little bees, look at your new ginormous home. Put the queen excluder on so that they get used to it. And put the top board on. So they don't like me now. They all want to sting me. Anyway, that's done. I'll just top them up with some food and then get them back in the box. We've got a few confused treasure fan bees now. Still some trying to get in here, and they're a bit over there. As soon as they get in the doorway and they start fanning and telling the other ones, it'll be fine. Get out, get out. Get out, you little narky bugger. Made him angry, you see. They can smell their old home. So what we'll do, get out, go on. Shoo, 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 shoo. Been evicted, you got a bigger house, move into it. Nicer house, yes, very good. Go on, shoo, 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 shoo. They don't want to give up that bit of a comb, do they? Alright, get away from it. My house. So we'll just top their sugar up. There's bees everywhere now. So that's all the hives done. The ones that need supers have got supers, and the others that wanted food have got food. Treasure fam hives in, they're a little bit confused, they're all over the place. See, they're all over the place, but they should all find their home. Left a little bit of sugar on top, that little snack for them. Yeah, everything's good. So they've just got to, hopefully we get more nice warm days and they can crack on with their work. Come on little bee, you can go on with your work. They're not fanning like very well to tell the treasure bees where their house is. So they're off to a bad start already. They're a bit confused, look. They keep landing on the roof. And on the stickers, they like the stickers. They'll work it out. Someone will get in the doorway and start fanning them in. Some probably went in next doors. But yeah, just got to leave them now. Let them get on with it. We need some more slabbage under this stand because it's sort of listing forward already. So you can imagine what it'd be like when it's full of honey. Yeah, they've not quite figured out that the door, some have, but there's none there fanning to tell them. They'll work it out anyway. So that's me done up here for today. Pack up. Right, so these bees are getting the message now. Come on, back in your house, in your house. But as I promised, we've got the maer videos. We've got a bee trying to get me. Not surprised when I do that. Yeah, as promised, I'm gonna have to put my glove. Right, so yeah, we've got the treasure hunter fam group hive. We've got a treasure hunter maer videos hive. These are a bit testy. We've got straight up metal detecting. He's on the hive the trip wire. We've got Joker's magnet on and treasure charger. And this hive looks like they've had the toiletry problem. And then over here, the holographic stickers just show up so much. See, look, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but they shine. We've got Marty's nuts about digging, Corey the treasure hunter, A&M prospecting on the small yellow hive. We've got tripwire again on another hive, and then we've got a Marlon and Aurora on this one. So yeah, get your stickers in guys, and we'll sticker up the hives, and we'll have a little competition, see whose bees pull in the most honey. Right, I'm done up here. That's quite funny. I can see this sticker's shining from here. I don't know if the GoPro will pick it up. Probably not, 'cause you can't zoom in. But you can see the holographic tripwire sticker and the male on an aurora sticker glowing up from here. So the bees are going to know where their hives are. There's some stacks over there now. I need to sort that stand out. That's got 4 hives on it. It's too many hives for that one stand. Oh dear. Right, next lot.